past 2 and 3 years, I've been digging to you in my post about autonomous agents and conversational AIs and in-car assistants and so on. And in most of the cases, only a very few selected of companies could have tried our technology, enjoy it. And we were working with some very big corporations on pilots and POCs, but we couldn't share it with everyone. And I'm so excited today because we are launching the first autonomous agent in the wild that will be widely accessible. And the role of this autonomous agent is to qualify our leads. So let's see how it works. This is our new website. So I will enter my name and Impress, put on my phone, and an email. Now I can writing a note, but let's keep it blank for now. So once I sent this form, the AI agent receives the information, create a personalized conversation, and I will now receive a message by email and through SMS and WhatsApp with a link to speak with the agent through an avatar. Okay, so now I received an email from Angel with a link to speak with her. So she says that she's an AI-powered sales development representative from Empress, and she'll be happy to speak with me. So let's do it. Clicking on her link, and I'm getting an interface where I can speak with Angel. Here in this interface, I can mute her voice or I can let her speak, and I can record myself or chat. So let's say hi. Hello, how are you?
Hey Nissan, I'm Angel, and I'm an autonomous worker at Enprise. Thanks for getting in touch. I am here to help you with any questions about Hamayans or our autonomous SDR product. I also screen potential clients, and my report is sent to the appropriate department. How can I assist Enprise with its business goals?
During this time now, she is going to qualify me and rank me as a lead, a potential lead for the company. So I will skip ahead so you wouldn't need to go through the entire conversation, and I will show you how it looks when she finishes to speak with me and qualify me as a lead. So I went through the conversation, and my last message is Angel telling me that based on my answers, it looks like we are a potential match for the product. So I wanted to see what happens now when Angel thinks that the lead is a potential match. So I'm going back to my email, and first I will show you an email that Angel sent me. It was a pleasure to talking to you. Schedule a meeting on this link, and she is looking forward to working together. So she autonomously sent this email to my email with a link to schedule a meeting with a human representative. Aside of that, she sent a message to Impress to show us what was the outcome of the conversation that she just had. So here's the text. And to summarize, the lead is classified as a high quality due to a clear and important need, a sufficient budget, and a reasonably activity volume. However, the long-term timeline, the need to consult with others, and the service language, being Klingon, are considerations. Given the overall score, arranging a meeting is appropriate. Okay, so she has a score for me as a potential lead, but there's a side note for the human representative that this lead has, some issues that need to be clarified. So you see that she realizes that the language is not something that is usually being used, and the other elements are depending on how the business will decide to handle the situation. I want to show you how the data looks like. Everything from the conversation is being saved, classified, and stored in real time, so you can take a look and understand what's going on. And in case that you will see something that you think you need to intervene, you can. But the most important thing is that you have complete transparency of what Angel was thinking. So here you see in the analysis, we already saw the analysis that was already sent by email, where Angel classified me as a high quality lead. But if we look at others, so the user message is still incomplete and does not provide clarity on whether they're a client or investor. So the user mentioned it for SDR, but it's unclear. Okay, so here you have a general language description, and also you have specific qualification data, like if I have the budget, if the need is strong, and so on, and even specific information like allocating $2,000 monthly for the Autonomous SDR solution. So what you see here is that a company has complete transparency and control of the SDR agent.